Have you ever dreamt of owning a business that makes money while you sleep? What if I told you that you could build a six-figure online store without ever touching a single piece of inventory? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's possible, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more insights and strategies on building your online empire. Welcome to the world of online entrepreneurship, where the rules of traditional business are being rewritten. You're about to learn how I built a successful online store without the hassle of inventory, warehouses, or massive upfront investments. In the age of digital innovation, the e-commerce landscape offers limitless opportunities, and I'm here to guide you through them. Let's delve into the essence of what it means to operate an online store without inventory. This innovative business model is centered around utilizing modern e-commerce strategies such as dropshipping, print-on-demand, affiliate marketing, and the sale of digital products. These methodologies redefine the traditional retail model by eliminating the need to physically stock, manage, or ship products. The heart of this concept lies in its efficiency and smart utilization of digital resources. In a dropshipping model, for instance, products are sent directly from the supplier to the customer, bypassing the need for you to handle the goods. Print-on-demand offers a platform for creatives to design products that are then produced and shipped by a third party only when a customer makes a purchase. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting others' products, and selling digital products like ebooks or courses involves no physical inventory at all. The advantages of no inventory stores. Why should you consider transitioning to an inventory-free business model? The advantages are compelling and multifaceted. First and foremost, this approach significantly reduces your overhead costs. Traditional retail models require substantial investment in inventory, storage, and logistics. By eliminating these elements, you can significantly increase your profit margins. This model is not just cost-effective, it's also highly flexible and scalable. It allows you to test and market a wide range of products without the financial risk associated with purchasing and stocking inventory. You can swiftly adapt to changing market trends, consumer preferences, and even global economic shifts. This flexibility is a key driver in enabling your business to stay relevant and competitive in a fast-paced market. Furthermore, an inventory-free model opens up the possibility of operating your business from anywhere in the world, giving you the freedom to manage your store remotely and enjoy a more flexible lifestyle. Dropshipping, the gateway to e-commerce freedom. Dropshipping stands as a beacon of opportunity in the e-commerce world, offering a streamlined path to business ownership. It's a model where you, the entrepreneur, act as a middleman. When a customer buys a product from your online store, the order is sent directly to the supplier, who then ships it to the customer. This process eliminates the need for you to handle physical products, allowing you to focus on customer service and marketing. One of the biggest attractions of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. You can start with minimal costs, as there's no need to purchase inventory upfront. This model is highly scalable. As your business grows, you can expand your product range without worrying about storage space or logistics. Print-on-demand, POD, is a unique e-commerce model that's perfect for creative entrepreneurs. It allows you to design and sell your custom products, like t-shirts, mugs, or books, without dealing with inventory or large upfront costs. When a customer orders from your store, a third-party supplier prints your design on the product and ships it directly to them. This means you only pay for the cost of the product after you've made a sale, significantly reducing financial risks. POD is a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and build a brand around unique, personalized products. It's particularly popular in niche markets, where customers look for something different from what's available in mainstream stores. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful tool in the e-commerce arsenal, ideal for those who excel in marketing and building audience trust. In this model, you promote products from other businesses and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. It's a performance-based approach that rewards you for your marketing efforts. This model is excellent for those who have established online platforms like a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence. By choosing products that resonate with your audience and align with your content, you can provide genuine recommendations that feel natural and authentic. Moreover, affiliate marketing is not just limited to physical products. Many companies offer affiliate programs for digital products and services, widening your scope. Selling digital products. In the digital age, selling digital products is a smart and profitable venture. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, software, and digital art offer the benefits of zero production costs and immediate delivery. This model stands out for its low overhead, as there's no need to worry about inventory, shipping, or logistics. It's an ideal platform for experts, educators, and creatives to monetize their knowledge and skills. The market for digital products is vast and varied, catering to numerous niches from educational resources to entertainment and utility software. The key to success lies in identifying a niche with a high demand and creating high-quality, valuable digital content that resonates with your target audience. Additionally, digital products offer the possibility of generating passive income. Starting your store. Setting up a successful online store is a journey that requires a solid foundation. It all begins with meticulous research aimed at pinpointing a profitable niche and selecting the right products that resonate with your target audience. This involves diving deep into market trends, understanding customer needs, and thoroughly analyzing your competition. Identifying a niche that is both lucrative and aligns with your passion or expertise is essential. Once you've defined your niche and product offerings, the next critical step is choosing reliable suppliers, especially crucial if you're pursuing a dropshipping model. Reliable suppliers ensure that your customers receive quality products on time, which is paramount for building trust and credibility. To facilitate the creation of your online store, you can leverage e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. These user-friendly platforms provide customizable templates and seamless integrations with a variety of e-commerce tools, simplifying the process of building a professional-looking online storefront. However, keep in mind that a thriving online store isn't solely defined by the products you offer. It's also about crafting an immersive and seamless customer experience. From intuitive website navigation to responsive customer support, each aspect plays a pivotal role in retaining and delighting your customers, ultimately contributing to the long-term success of your e-commerce venture. Marketing, the key to success. Once your store is up and running, the real challenge begins: marketing. Effective marketing is the driving force behind successful online stores. Utilizing a mix of digital marketing strategies is crucial. This includes leveraging social media platforms to build brand awareness and engage with your audience. SEO, search engine optimization, is vital for increasing your store's visibility in search engine results, driving organic traffic. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for nurturing leads and converting them into loyal customers. It's about crafting the right message and delivering it to the right audience at the right time. Utilize analytics to understand customer behavior and refine your marketing strategies accordingly. The goal is to create a strong online presence that attracts and retains customers, converting clicks into sales. Order fulfillment. Efficient order fulfillment is crucial in maintaining customer satisfaction and trust. Once you start receiving orders, the focus shifts to delivering your products promptly and accurately. For models like dropshipping and print on demand, choose suppliers who are reliable and offer quality shipping services. For digital products, ensure a secure and immediate delivery system. Automating the order fulfillment process can significantly reduce the workload and minimize errors. Tools like DSERS automate various aspects of the process, from updating order status to syncing tracking numbers. This not only saves time, but also enhances the customer experience as they receive their orders faster and with real-time updates. Smooth operations in order fulfillment strengthen your brand reputation and encourage repeat business. And there you have it, the blueprint to building a six-figure online store without inventory. The journey requires dedication, learning, and adaptation, but the rewards are well worth it. Remember, the e-commerce world is constantly evolving, so stay curious and keep innovating. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.